Hey guys, we're back with another video. It's our first one of 2021, and you won't believe what we're cooking up today. Deep dish pizza. Who's ever heard of that before? Are we still rolling intros? What is up, my keto friends? And I hope you know exactly who you are. Welcome back to another video. My name's Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
If this is your first time here on this channel and you'd love to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and also other keto related topics, make sure you do me a favor. Click that subscribe button and also the bell and the word all so you don't miss any notifications when we upload great ketogenic content on this channel. Now, having said that, welcome back, Susan. It's our first cooking video of 2021.
That's right.
Welcome back.
Glad to be here.
You're excited, aren't you? Wow.
Glad to be here.
Yeah, a lot of people's missed us. They wanted some videos, cooking videos, and they were like, where are these guys at? We're like, we're in China.
It's been a rough couple of months.
And we thought, hey, you know what? What better way to bring back our keto friends with something that, wow, the fun making. What better way to bring back the video cooking with our keto friends than a deep dish Chicago style pizza?
But I call it pizza loaf.
Oh yeah, she calls it pizza loaf.
He didn't like
that
it.
doesn't sound attractive to me.
No.
Because I don't, you know, because of meatloaf and, you know, other things that loaves are associated with. It's just not attractive. I like Chicago style. Now, if you are a fan of Chicago style pizza, you know what we're talking about. We're talking about a pie that is this deep.
Yeah, ours is
and a crust. Now, I'm sure that we can get away with a deep dish crust, but Susan has put a little twist on this one. She's not using a crust. She's using something else that's substituting for the crust.
Mm-hmm. Do I need to tell it?
Well,
sure.
We're about to tell it and how we make it, but I wanted to ask you this. Is this an original, or did you get this from somebody?
No, I was watching Highfalutin Low Carb, and he was doing a like deep dish pizza battle, and he was talking about Lou Malnati's, which, if any of you know, we love Lou Malnati's. It's in Chicago, and it is, now that's the one thing that could make me go off keto. As a matter of fact, I'd already told my mom when we moved to Kansas, we're gonna take a little train ride over to Chicago and hook up some Malnati's. Well, guess what? He said that this chick was talking about, I feel like I'm gossiping. He said this chick was talking about Malnati's started doing a keto pizza. So. And
he made one based on that,
no,
what they're doing?
No, basically it was just a meat base, and I looked up Malnati's, and that's what they do.
Oh, so they're doing what we're doing here today. Mm-hmm. Okay, so if you guys have never been to Malnati's, I'm hearing this for the first time. So good. I don't know why, but you're hearing it for the first time too. If you've not been to Malnati's, we're going to show you how to make that. It's basically a Chicago? Who's can talk today? Chicago style deep dish pizza with no crust.
Right.
And it's gonna be delicious.
Let's get to making.
Okay, and for today's recipe, we're going to use a pound of ground beef, a pound of Italian sausage, about a measuring cup full of cheese, however much you want to use. We're using several different pepperonis. We're using chopped onion, chopped bell pepper, great value pizza sauce, the only one I had on hand, and a blend of garlic, onion, Italian seasoning.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life.
All right, coming back, the infamous Dice Man walk back. What we have here is Malnati's Chicago-style deep dish pizza without the crust.
It's not Malnati's.
It's not?
You can't say that.
Oh, okay. It's not Malnati's. It's Lou, Byron, and Susan.
There we go.
By the way, I will put links in the description below of Malnati's website, so you can go check that out to see what kind of keto pizza. And if you're not on keto, it's a very delicious deep style pizza.
If you're not in Chicago, it costs like a small fortune for two like 10-inch. It's like
Does it come frozen?
Yeah, I'm sure. It's like $65 for two like 10-inch pizzas.
Yeah, the big thing with Malnati's, their specialty is all of their ingredients are fresh in the store when they make the pizza. Mm-hmm. I will also put a link in the description below of Highfalutin low carbs.
Low carb.
Low carb, without
Nice.
the S. And the video he was talking about where Susan mentioned that he made this pizza.
I didn't make this after the one that he made. I'm not even sure. I just, me, I just get in here and just start throwing stuff
Now,
together.
let's go ahead. Usually feed me. So what's feed me, Seymour? Feed me, Seymour.
And also, we had to leave
if
and go out.
anybody gets that, give me a comment below.
We had to leave and go out for a little bit, so this is not straight out of the oven. As you can see, the cheese isn't as dripping as it was when I took it out
First
of the oven.
pulled it out. Okay.
Right.
Oh wait, usually we eat together, but
Shh.
I want more of that.
You have to get your own fork. And I would like to have
Wait a minute.
mushrooms.
Wait. Okay. Here's the deal. So we didn't have any shrooms. That would make it.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, you could make this into a supreme, or a cheese, or a meat. Let me tell you what this tastes like. This tastes like I ate. Have you ever had the meat lovers from Pizza Hut?
No, never.
Okay. Meat lovers from Pizza Hut. The way they have sausage, bacon, Canadian bacon, meat, everything on there. When you eat this, it's like you just took a big bite of Meat Lovers pizza without a crust.
Well, how many times have we gone? How many times have we gone to eat pizza and scraped the toppings off and needed to eat like 8 pieces to get enough to, right?
I know what she's talking about. Mm-hmm. It's like when you scrape the toppings off of pizza, you've
You
got
have a tablespoon.
you've got this little thing of, you're like, so this is what I've been eating all these years? No, you've been eating the bread. That's the biggest part of the pizza slice.
Yeah.
Hold on a sec. Talk amongst yourselves.
Oh my gosh. Can't take you anywhere. It's delicious.
Right.
And we had to run out for a while, and so, like I said, this is reheated, and it tastes just as good.
Didn't you already say that?
No, I didn't say it tasted just as good reheated.
But you did now?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's delicious.
Y'all gotta try that, dude. You gotta try that.
And pause.
So I'm actually gonna keep talking here. She doesn't know I'm gonna do this.
You're not going to. Okay. So,
and we're back.
The pizza sauce, the Great Value, because I'm sure probably people will ask, it's got 3 grams of carbs for 1/4 of a cup. And I probably used at least a cup. I used like half of it, so 5 servings, so 15 carbs for the whole entire pizza for the sauce.
15 carbs. And yeah, like nobody's gonna eat that whole pizza at once. So maybe one slice is what? A carb?
Oh,
Wow, if you want to get your protein up, this is it.
Yeah, and you do whatever condiments you want to do, and you put the amount of seasoning. I mean, I just, sprinkled some, and that's why I didn't really give amounts, because some people don't like as much garlic. Some people don't.
Some people don't like onions or bell peppers.
Right.
But you put your favorite toppings on this thing. If you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, it's pretty delicious. I'm just saying.
Okay. Hey guys, remember you can follow us on all of our social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Make sure you follow us, like us over there as well, because we put content out there as well that doesn't show up on the YouTube channels. Okay. And until next time, remember. Keep it pizza.
Keep it Malnatis.
Wow. That's not even, you said not to say that.